Good day, all. I am Dr. T. Arunmozhi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on categories of securities issue. This goes with the subject merchant banking and financial services. Corporate enterprises use several sources of raising funds from the capital market. Then issue of securities constitutes an important mode of raising such finances. Through three ways, the security takes the forms. First one is the public issue, second one is the rights issue, and third one is the private placement. What is public issue? When capital funds are raised through the issue of a prospectus, it is called public issue of securities. Usually, there are methods of issuing. One such method is prospectus method, which is costlier also. Though it is costlier, that is the apt method. It is the most common method of raising funds in the capital market. Then a security issue may take place either at par or at a premium or at a discount. This point we would have learnt in our corporate accounting. Next, the prospectus has to disclose, that is all the informations, all the essential facts about the company to the prospective purchasers of the shares. Further, the prospectus must conform to the format set out in Schedule 2 of the Companies Act of 1956, besides taking into the account SEBI guidelines. Next, like before prospectus, when meaning of another word for prospectus is, in simple, you can call it as a notice or an advertisement, giving a detailed information about the company. Next, last, SEBI insists on the adequacy of disclosure of information that should serve as the basis for investors take a decision about the investment of their money. Next, we have the rights issue. In my previous video, I told you that what is rights issue. Given the shares given to the existing shareholders, you can call it as a rights issue. Now we'll see what it tells you. When shares are issued to the existing shareholders of a company on a privileged basis, it is called as rights issue. The existing shareholders have a preemptive to the subscribe to the new issue of shares. Rights shares are offered as additional issues by corporate to mop up further capital funds. Such shares are offered in proportion to the capital paid up on the shares held by them at the time of the offer. Hope you understood this rights issue also. So three methods, I repeat, public issue method, rights issue method, and private placement. So both public issue you would have understood, rights issue you would have understood. Now we move on to private placement. When the issuing company sells securities directly to the investors, especially institutional investors, it takes the form of private placement. Hope you understood. I repeat again. When the issuing company sells securities directly to the investors, especially institutional investors, it takes a form of private placement. In this case, no prospectus is issued since it is presumed that the inverts have sufficient knowledge and experience and are capable of evaluating of the risk of investment. This is the only basic difference between the public issue and private placement. In public issue, we issue prospectus, whereas in private placement, it is directly sold to the institutional investors or to the investors. Private placement covers shares, preference shares, and debentures. Then the role of the financial intermediary, such as the merchant bankers and lead managers, assumes greater significance in private placement. In the merchant bankers, again I would put another video, and lead managers also I have prepared for lead managers. We would see in the next videos relating to the lead managers. So now last, They involve themselves in the task of preparing a offer, memorandum and negotiating it to investors. Hope you understood the private placement. In brief, shares can be issued. The methods which the issuing shares may be either through public issue, rights issue or private placement. Hope you understood the categories of securities issue. Thank you. We would meet in the next video.